Hello friends, welcome to the toothcorner.com videos. Is turmeric good for you? Today let us see its benefits with a simple recipe. Let us start. Turmeric, a must in the Indian kitchen, has an active compound curcumin that has many health benefits. It can prevent heart disease, Alzheimer's and cancer. It has an antioxidant that reduces inflammation, improves symptoms of arthritis and depression. Now let us see the benefits of eating turmeric. It contains bioactive compounds with powerful medicinal properties. Fat-soluble compound curcumin present in turmeric is an anti-inflammatory antioxidant. You may use the turmeric extract as a supplement to include large amounts of curcumin. Curcumin is a natural anti-inflammatory compound. The compound helps to fight against chronic inflammation and treat related diseases. It also possesses the capacity to suppress molecules that plays a significant role in inflammation. Curcumin boosts brain function. Curcumin increases the hormone BNDF levels that lowers due to depression and Alzheimer's disease and helps in slowing the brain disease and age-related problems. It improves the memory, makes the brain sharper and fight against degenerative processes in the brain. Curcumin lowers the risk of heart disease. It reverses the effect of heart disease by improving the function of the endothelium, which is the inner lining of the arteries. It also helps to regulate blood pressure, blood clotting and other factors too. Lastly, turmeric prevents cancer. Curcumin helps in controlling the development of cells that lead to various types of cancer. It may also cause the death of the cancer cells and reduce the growth of new blood vessels, thus helps in preventing the significant disease. Turmeric and its active compound has innumerable proven benefits like preventing significant life-threatening diseases, works as a medicine and protect the brain. Now let us see a simple turmeric juice recipe. Please note down the ingredients. You need half teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 orange peeled, 1 teaspoon lemon juice, 1 small piece ginger chopped, 1 tablespoon honey, that is optional. And please now note down the method. Add all the ingredients to a blender and blend until smooth. Pour into a glass and serve. I hope the information is beneficial for you and would include the turmeric juice in your daily routine to remain healthy. Thank you.